A very good evening to one and all. In this video, I will talk about a recent talks that has happened in Bonn, Germany regarding climate change. These talks were not that much fruitful, but there was a fruitful proposal that has been given by Turkey. Turkey is going to host COP, Conference of Party meeting at the end of this year. That means in the November this year. But the proposal that has given by Turkey is very fruitful for us to understand. Firstly, I will tell you about climate change. Single-use plastic usage has been doubled from the year 2000 to 2019. We see a lot of milk packets, lot of noodles, single-use cup noodles, and even after the ban at several places, this single-use plastics is being used continuously. That is a different case. We are seeing our landfill sites in Okhla, Ghazipur in Delhi, and even at the Gujarat. They are like 60 to 65 meters of height. And what government is doing for that, that is a different thing I will talk about later. But the proposal is that if we are having more and more energy needs of ourselves through electricity, that means electrification of our energy needs, that means we will be able to prevent the direct use of coal, fuel, wood, and several other things which are very dangerous for the climate. We are having a net zero target emission by the year 2070, and other countries have their different targets. We are looking towards the reduction of the usage of fossil fuels. But the Turkey has proposed that electrification, that means requirement of our energy through electricity up to 35% by the year 2035 will definitely have a better pathway to reduce this increment of temperature in the range of 1.5 degrees Celsius. Currently, the usage of our energy through electricity is just 21%, provided that electricity usage should not be through coal, but should be through renewable energy resources, which are nuclear energy, water, that means hydroelectric energy, wind energy, solar energy. In fact, this renewable energy installation currently in India is more than 50%. But actual production of electricity from these renewable energy resources is currently 15%. That means we have an installation, but we do not have an implementation, and that is also we need to work on. Another thing I want to talk about is the nuclear energy. Small modular reactors. Our recently signed Shanti Act, more and more investment, that means foreign direct investments from countries like France, European Union, so that we can work on that, as well as we have to build more and more nuclear reactors and generate more and more nuclear power into us, because the contribution of nuclear energy into renewable energy is just 3% right now, and we need to increase it. So that was all about this Bonn talks that has happened in Germany. For future point of view, it is very important for every one of us to take the responsibilities, not just these talks or the government or the high officials. Everyone has to come up to reduce this plastic usage so that we can have a better environment in future. Thank you.